Okay, so this is the method by which we can arrange the given fractions in ascending or descending order. In the question number 2, part B, we have to arrange the given fractions in descending order. So let me now tell you this question also. Okay, question 2, part B, and question is saying write in descending order. Descending order. Fine. The fractions are 5 upon 9, 11 upon 12, comma 2 upon 3, comma 7 upon 8. So find the LCM of the denominator. सबसे पहले denominators के LCM find कर लो. 9, 12, 3, 8. So we'll first reduce by 2. 9 as it is, 2 6 are 12, 3 as it is, 2 4 are 8. Again, we'll reduce by 2. 9 as it is, 2 3 are 6, 3 as it is, 2 2 are 4. 9 as it is, 3 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2. अब 3 से reduce करेंगे. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, and again 3 से reduce करेंगे. 1 1 1 1. So what is the LCM now? The LCM is 2 into 2 into 2. These are the factors. आप multiply करके LCM find करो. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 24 3s are. Nobody is speaking. 72. Simran, Savita, what happened? 72 is the LCM. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हमें क्या करना है? अब हमें करना यह है कि सारे फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर को हमें 72 में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, माय क्वेश्चन इज टू यू इज 9 में किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 72 में कन्वर्ट हो?
72.
72 and 5 8s are 40. अब
40.
12 में किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 72 आएगा?
6.
66. Then
66 upon.
yeah, and 3 में किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें so that we can get 72?
Sir, 24.
24. So 24 into 2 is 48. And by which number shall I multiply 8 to get 72?
9.
9. So 9 sevens are or 7 9s are 63. Now in which order we have to arrange these fractions? In descending order, right? देखो अगर आप लोग रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करोगे ना तो फिर इस क्लास का कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो प्लीज कीप रिस्पॉन्सिंग. Keep giving your response.
11 upon 12.
क्या है देखो, descending order means greater smaller.
7 upon 8. 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8.
नहीं,
7 upon 8.
wrong.
2 upon 3. 11 upon 12. 2 3.
First of all tell me कि किस फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर सबसे बड़ा है. आप ये देख रहे हो 66 सबसे बड़ा है.
11 upon 12.
11 upon 12. Yes, this one. So this is the greatest. And
6 upon 7 upon 8.
8. Exactly. Then
5 upon 9. 5 upon 9.
and सबसे smaller है 40. तो
5 upon 9.
5 upon 9. And this is the, say with me, this is the
Descending order.
answer. So now I'm going to tell you, and it says X. Part A as a number. So now this is an improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction. I told you in the last class क्या होता है improper fraction, in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. यहाँ पे देखो कि न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा है, that means it is improper fraction. So we can convert it into mixed fraction. और उसको करने का क्या था मेथड? we have to divide 36 by 7. How many times it will go?
7 5
7 5s are
7 5
and what is the remainder?
7 5 35
1 is the
7 5
remainder.
31.
So how are we going to write in the mixed fraction?
5 whole 1 upon 7.
Very good. Very good. Question B. 4 whole 5 upon 11 write as a improper fraction. Exactly. तो how ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल है. इसमें तो आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड कर देना है. So can anyone tell me the right answer? 49 upon 11. How? First you will multiply 11 to 4, then you have to add 5 in it. Okay. And denominator.
44.
So 11 4s are 44. 44 plus 5 is 49. 49 upon 11. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Question 4 is a word problem. So let us read this. Can anyone read question 4? Only one. Anyone?
There are 30 in a basket. 12 of them are tennis balls. The table tennis balls. 4 are cricket and balls, and the rest are golf balls. What fraction of the balls are golf ball? Express a fraction in the simplest form.
In the simplest form, exactly. So there are total 30 balls. So you will write total number of balls is equal to 30. Out of them, 12 are tennis balls. So write number of tennis balls is equal to 12. बेटा ये क्या हो रहा है? अगर आप लोग इसी तरीके से आवाज करोगे तो मैं सबको म्यूट कर दूंगा फिर. दिव्यांश स्पेशली आपकी तरफ से बहुत ज्यादा वॉइस आ रही है. ठीक है दिव्यांश गुप्ता. तो sit in a silent place. Simran Savita, you also please sit in a silent place. Number of tennis balls is equal to 12 and there are 8 table tennis balls. So number of table tennis balls is equal to 8 and there are 4 cricket balls. So number of cricket balls is equal to how many? 4. And rest are golf balls. Rest are golf balls. How many golf balls are there? Number of golf balls is equal to. अब मुझे ये बताओ कि कितनी गोल्फ की बॉल्स हैं, कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? देखो टोटल बॉल्स हमारे पास 30 हैं, आउट ऑफ विच 12 बॉल्स टेनिस बॉल्स हैं, 8 टेबल टेनिस बॉल्स हैं, 4 क्रिकेट बॉल्स हैं. तो कितनी गोल्फ बॉल्स हैं? जितनी बची हुई हैं वो सारी की सारी. तो हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? 30 में से हम माइनस कर देंगे 12 प्लस 8 प्लस 4 को ऐड करके. मींस 12 8 एंड 4 को ऐड करके 30 में से माइनस करना है. 12 प्लस 8 इज व्हाट? 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So 30 minus 24 and the answer is 6. It means there are 6 golf balls. Fine. Now the question is asking what fraction of balls are golf balls. So fraction हमें find करना है. Fraction of golf balls is equal to, so how many golf balls are there? 6. And how many total balls are there?
6.
So 6 upon 30. You can reduce it. 6 1 the 6, 6 5 the 30. So 1 upon 5. This is the answer. स्टूडेंट्स आपको क्या करना है, जब भी किसी चीज का फ्रैक्शन निकालना होता है तो नंबर ऑफ दोज आर्टिकल्स, नंबर ऑफ दोज थिंग्स अपॉन नंबर ऑफ टोटल. Okay, that this thing you have to do. Express as a fraction in the simplest form. So this is the 6 upon 30 is the fraction and 1 upon 5 is in the simplest form. This is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now read question 5. There are 36 children. चलो कोई नहीं पढ़ रहा है तो मैं ही पढ़ देता हूँ. But at least you should read, huh? There are 36 children in a class. 3 upon 4 of them are girls. What are the number of girls and boys in the class? So there are total number of students are 36. You will write total number of students in class is equal to 36 and 3 upon 4 of them are girls. Number of girls
3 upon 4.
3 upon 4 multiply by 36. देखिए 3 upon 4 girls नहीं है, ये girls का fraction है. So whenever the fraction is given, तो fraction को हमें total से multiply करके number of girls find करना होगा. So what we'll do, 3 upon 4 multiply by total number of children, that is 36. So 3 upon 4 multiply by 36. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, and 4 nines are 36. Finally, 3 into 9 is there. And 3 nines are
27.
27. So there are 27 girls in the class. Then how many boys are there? Number of boys. How are you going to find number of boys? किसी के पास आंसर है? नंबर ऑफ बॉयज कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? देखो टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 36 है. आउट ऑफ देम 27 आर गर्ल्स. So how many boys are there? This is so simple. Now can you tell me how many boys are there? 36 minus 27. Now tell me, subtract 27.
Sir, 9. Sir, 9.
Yes, there are 9 boys.
9.
9 boys. Okay, so question पूछ रहा था कि what are the number of girls and boys in the class? The number of girls are 27 and number of boys are 9. That's it. This is the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from question 6 to 9, you are having MCQs. Fine, there are MCQs from question. So let us solve this. Question 6 says how many 6 are there in 5 whole 1 upon 6? How many 6 are there? What does it mean? Can anyone tell? What is the answer? A, B, C or D?
31.
Sir,
31.
Exactly. How?
31.
5,
31.
6 5 are 30. 30 plus 1? 31. 31 upon 6. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. But the right option is B, 31. Question 7. Which one of the following is false? इनमें से कौन सा false है? Every option is true, but one is false. And which one is false? The seventh question is, if we look at part A, 36 upon 9 is greater than 22 upon 11. तो बेटा अगर हमें चेक करना है कि क्या ये ट्रू है तो हम चेक करेंगे कैसे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से. आप क्या करो, 36 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 11 से और 9 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 22 से और देखो क्या इस साइड यानी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आपका ग्रेटर नंबर आएगा. अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ग्रेटर नंबर है तो इट मींस इट इज ट्रू, अदरवाइज इट इज फॉल्स. तो 36 into 11 करके देखते हैं. 396 and this side 22 into 9, 198. So of course this is true, but this is not false. Now अब हम B देखेंगे कि क्या B false है. 5 upon 7 is less than 7 upon 9. इसमें भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 5 into 9, 7 into 7, 9 5 का 45, 7 7 का 49 and 49 is greater than 45. तो ये भी true है. This is also true. अब हम C पार्ट को चेक करेंगे. Part C says 6 whole 5 upon 8 is equal to 53 upon 8. So 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5. 50. So it will be 53 upon 8 is equal to 53 upon 8. So ये भी true है. This is also true. And D part is, I think D would be false क्योंकि तीनों तो true है तो ये जरूर false होगा. ठीक है. तो 43 upon 5. Now 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 1 41. 41 upon 5 is greater than 43 upon 5. तो यहाँ पे देख रहे हो कि डिनोमिनेटर तो सेम है and 43 is greater, 41 is smaller. तो ये false होगा क्योंकि 43 जो है वो greater है 41 से. So this is now false. So D part is false. Question 8. Anil lost 20 marbles. He had 25 marbles left. What fraction of his marble did he lose? Question 9 says Anil lost 20 marbles. Number of
सर आवाज आ रही है सर पर चिट नहीं आ रहे सर.
number of marbles
25.
Anil lost is equal to 20. Okay. And number of left marbles is equal to 25. So how many marbles he had? Number of marbles he had is equal to 20 plus 25 is equal to 45. पहले क्वेश्चन समझो. क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि अनिल ने 20 मार्बल्स वो दिए हैं. अब उसके पास 25 बचे हैं. तो पहले उसके पास कितने थे? 20 plus 20, पहले उसके पास 45 मार्बल्स थे. नाउ क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ हिज मार्बल डिड ही लूज. जितने मार्बल उसने लूज किए उनका फ्रैक्शन क्या है? दिव्यांश गुप्ता प्लीज, आपकी तरफ से बहुत वॉइस आ रही है भाई. अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम रिमाइंडिंग यू. ठीक है दिव्यांश. What fraction of his marble did he lose? So fraction of marble
किसे करेंगे?
he lost is equal to, कितने मार्बल्स उसने लूज किए थे 20 और टोटल कितने थे 45. So this is the answer, or you can convert it into the simplest form. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45, so 4 upon 9 will be the answer. Means B part is the right answer. B option is right. Question 9, and it is the last question. 4 upon 7 of 63. इसको सॉल्व करना है, तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ ऑफ के प्लेस पे मल्टीप्लाई यूज करना है. 4 upon 7 multiply by 63. Now 63 upon 1. 7 1s are 7, 7 9s are 63. So it will be 4 into 9. 9 4s are 9 4s are
36.
So this is the answer.
36.
E option is correct. So students, this is all for today because the time is up. Only 1 minute is left. So what you have to do, अभी जिन्होंने भी रिवीजन नहीं किया था या एक्सरसाइज नहीं की थी, तो do this exercise now. And one more thing, जिनको भी कनेक्टिविटी इशू था या जो बच्चे किसी वजह से ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए हैं, तो I will upload this video on YouTube and I will give you the link. तो आप YouTube पे जाके इस वीडियो को दोबारा से देख सकते हैं. ओके?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.